freedom and self-determination.
And anyone waving the Tibetan flag is shot.
The ones courageous enough to demonstrate against the crushing force of Chinese dominance are the monks and the nuns.
Without children depending upon them, and because they are schooled in selflessness, they are the first to sacrifice themselves for the freedom of their people and freedom of thought.
On occasions like these, Chinese civilians join the police by the hundreds in venting their hatred of Tibetans.
These video scenes were taken by a Chinese policeman. The tape was intended for later identification of demonstrators, but monks managed to corner him and remove the cassette from his camera.
The Chinese imprison, torture, and kill Tibetans who give foreigners information about events like these, or who discuss politics with foreigners at all.
Only a Tibetan in exile with an Indian passport and who left Tibet immediately after the interview could give evidence of his experiences in a Chinese prison after arrest.